Hi, Billie the Artist here with a quick little update on lots of what's been going on and some other bits and pieces and how you can help for the channel. But before we go any further, please do like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when new lessons will be available and other videos. Anyway, on the new lesson front, we have two. We have these fellas. First going live on Saturday the 15th of May is Spider-Man. Peter Parker, played by Tom Holland in the Marvel movies. Then we have Iron Man, Tony Stark, played by Robert Downey Jr. That's on the following Saturday on the 22nd. But this one is available now, and this is one of the things that I've been doing over the last few weeks along with other stuff. I'll just give you an update in a bit. I now have a Patreon page. You can become a patron at patreon.com/theartofbillie. And this is available there now. The new videos will be going live on Patreon before they're live on YouTube. So Iron Man will be up very, very shortly. Spider-Man is up there now. Link in the cards and the description to my Patreon page. Again, that's patreon.com/theartofbillie. If you can support me there that way, that would be fantastic. But it is a monthly subscription. The videos there will be advert free as well. But there is also another way that you can support, because people have been leaving fantastic comments and want so much more from the how to draw lessons. But it's not my job. This art, my oil paintings that I do, and you see the time lapse of them, that's my main job that pays the bills. I would like to do a lot more. There are so many suggestions for brilliant lessons that I could do. But one way that you could support me if you can't do a monthly subscription is also buy me a coffee. It's a great little feature. You go to buymeacoffee.com/theartofbillie. The link is on, if you go to my about page and the channel page where there's the social media links, there's a link there to the Buy Me a Coffee as well as Patreon. But that way you can just tip me the way streamers are tipped. It's just a great opportunity of helping support the channel and saying thank you, and I would really appreciate that because it would help me to be able to do more videos. I have got to do paintings. I am going to be starting doing another painting soon. The next lesson that I'm working on is hopefully going to be Black Widow, Scarlett Johansson, and then I've got others that have planned. Again, there's things that I've been wanting to do for the last 2 years, but other stuff and things and complications in my family with ill parents is and they're all great as well, but they are just poorly. They're elderly and there are issues. We've had lots of hospital trips recently. Everything's good, everyone's okay, we're just working through everything with a smile, and that's brilliant. If you've got poorly relatives, love them and bless them. Just love them. Be with them when you can. If you can, ring them, send them a letter, send them a card, anything. But it's just a great thing that we're able to do as a family. But we have also had, over the last 12 months, many, many strange and complex things change, as many people have around the world, within our businesses. So we're adapting and moving forward. I have more going on with my work into the future. On a number of occasions, I couldn't even get materials in the last 12 months. So this has affected not just my business, many businesses, but my wife's as well within our home. Our son, his entire industry, he was a professional musician, stopped. Now again, these things are just part of the thorns and thistles of daily life, and we're working through them. And I've got a lot more that I want to talk about, but I will be hopefully releasing one new lesson a week. That's my goal. But again, things just come in and cause problems. So that's the goal, and it's a joy. Thank you for leaving comments. It's a pleasure. I will be putting more slideshows up. Number 6 will be going live soon. Number 7, I'm collecting images. And again, it'll be great to get the images of Spider-Man and Iron Man soon, and seeing more and more people and the new lessons that I will be doing, seeing people producing drawings of them. For all you people who've been doing the BTS guys, thank you, that's fantastic. Ariana Grande, the Harry Potter characters, it's absolutely amazing. Again, check out the links to the playlists and the videos that are in the cards. but it's just good fun being able to encourage people to draw. I'll see you in the next lesson. Enjoy Spider-Man and Iron Man next, and whatever comes in the future. Take care. Ta-da.